Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Davis if you're new here. I make a lot of fashion videos and lifestyle vlogs, so if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. However, today's video is going to be just a little bit different. I am going to be unboxing my MACBOOK Air. I am so excited. I just got it in the mail. I haven't opened it yet, and I put my makeup on and got ready early because I knew that this was coming and I wanted to be able to open it and unbox it immediately and be able to film a video because this is a big moment. I've never had a MacBook ever. It's a lifelong dream, literally. I know that sounds like dumb compared to some things in the world, but it is something that I really believe is going to take my channel to the next level. I've done all of my previous editing to this point on either an iPhone or an iPad, and it has been so challenging, and I know that a MacBook is going to take my editing to the next level, and I'm so excited to be doing that today. So that's why I wanted to do an unboxing. Plus, I've never had something so nice and never spent so much money on one thing besides my car. So I'm so excited to be unboxing this with you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up so that I know you like unboxing videos. That way, next time I get a new piece of technology, I can unbox it with you. And leave a comment also letting me know if you're new. Okay, so I guess they did put some packaging pillows in here, but they needed more. This is still rolling around a lot. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's take out the useless pillows, pretty much. I've never touched my own MacBook. Wow. Can we just take a minute and appreciate it for all that it is? I spend a lot of moments in life not enjoying them enough, so this is me enjoying the moment more. Stop. That is so nice. Oh my gosh, it's going too quick. I need it to slow down. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I found out later that the gold one was like $70 or $80 cheaper. And I didn't even care because I was just so excited to have ordered this. The gold one is the color I would have wanted, but this is the silver one, I think. I don't even care about the color though because I plan to get a skin for it. Plus, I'm just so happy to have one. All right, I got it. Oh my gosh. Shut up. This is mine. I don't have to look at anyone else's on screen anymore and wish that theirs was mine. This is my MacBook. It's still cold. It's so thin. Wow. It's so thin. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so happy. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh my word. It's so thin. Look how thin it is. This is how thin I want to be. Okay? Not really, but it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You can see my ugly fingerprints. It's ruining the beauty. It looks like it's starting up. Oh, what a beaut. Funny story, the first time I ever used a MacBook was to run an Irish dance show, and I didn't know that the click button was like down here and that you had to like press it, and it's not actually like, you know, there like how older models of laptops are. And I just like, the music was like, the dancer was just standing there. I think it's actually my friend. Yeah, she was just standing there waiting for me to press play, and I couldn't figure out how to do it. I figured it out after about 25 seconds of a near panic attack, and then I remembered that my old dance teachers were not involved, none of them, and so I wasn't gonna get in trouble. But the anxiety like of something going wrong at a dance show immediately crept back up, and I didn't want to disappoint my friend, but then I remembered that she's not like that, and then I figured it out after I calmed myself down. But it was kind of awkward. Okay, so it wants to know if I have any kind of accessibility features that I want set up. So we're going to click not now because I don't. Oh, Wi-Fi. Shoot, I don't even know if I know my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I need to create a password now for my computer. Okay, it's setting up my iCloud account. Like, look at these keys. The keyboard is gorgeous. Sorry, no, this is a really close up of my face, but look at these keys. The keyboard is stunning, okay? It's gorgeous. I actually really like the silver. I'm kind of glad I got the silver, even though the gold would have been better, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna let this do its thing, set it up, play around with it for a little bit, and then I'll come back with my first impressions. Okay, so I've been laying here playing with this for about 2 hours now, and first impressions, there's a lot I have to learn. I have a lot to learn about this MacBook Air. I'm really excited to be learning about it though. The only thing is, like, my first and main thing that I want to learn about is iMovie. So I'm learning that right now, and then just kind of like the basics of navigating, obviously. Like, to use iMovie, I have to know how to like click and everything, and that, I mean, if it wasn't for the Irish dance show that I talked about earlier, I definitely would not know how to do that, and that probably would have been frustrating for me. But thankfully, experience is the best teacher, and I am definitely planning on learning. Let me know if you guys want to see like a full in-depth first impressions video on my MacBook. I can do also later down the road how to use iMovie on the MacBook, because it's totally different than from the phone and from the iPad. I mean, it's not like totally different, but it's definitely a lot different, especially if you've never used a MacBook before. Also, I can do a how to like navigate around the MacBook, like the basics, once I learn a few things. So let me know if that's something you guys would want to see. Stay tuned for Sunday's video. I'm coming back in with fashion videos this Sunday. I hope you guys are excited for it. It's going to be a Valentine's Day outfit ideas video, so make sure you're subscribed and turn on your bell so that you do not miss it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Adios. So I cannot open anything, like literally anything with tape on it or plastic, without either a knife or scissors. I don't have a box knife, which I feel like I should get one because I always order packages, but son of a... just ruined the experience. Why in the...